Parenting can be tough, no matter how consensuous and alert we are, because mistakes are inevitable. When you learn from your mistakes, you will be able to bring up your kid in a better way. There are no fixed rules for parenting because every child and family is different. Some parenting mistakes can have a big impact on kids. Let us look at the top 10 parenting mistakes. Most of the time, kids just want a voice to be heard. All they want is to express their feelings and emotions. If something is really bothering them, take it seriously, no matter how trivial it may seem. Whenever they come and speak to you, try to listen first. A relationship is the basis for cooperation, respect, trust, problem solving, and responsibility. So if you are there to listen to them, your children will realize that they are not honestly being heard and will shut down. Instead, acknowledge their feelings. Allow your children to vent and process their emotions. They will feel much better. Ever since birth, children learn. When your child grows, playing becomes a way of learning. There could be high chances of getting injured. This should not be the reason to stop them from exploring. If you guard your kids, they will not be eager to try new things or learn from their mistakes. When a challenging situation comes up, you empathize before you react. Before you interact with your child, put yourself in her shoes. If she's crying and upset, frustrated, or angry, she isn't trying to make your life harder. Know that your child is having a really tough time, and she doesn't have the skills to know how to cope with it. So, just be polite. This is something that has an adverse effect on children. It starts when a child begins school life and grades are compared with that of his classmates. It is important to note that constantly telling how others are better than him won't change your child's grades. On the contrary, it will affect your kid's self-confidence, which will impact his performance. Sit with your child and figure out why your child is not able to perform or if there is anything else that is bothering your daughter. This is one of the most common parenting mistakes that every first-time parent makes. To raise a perfect child, we tend to put too many instructions on them. We often lay down strict rules, push them to behave in a particular manner, and constantly keep our kids in check. Such an attitude will only create a gap between you and your child. It works best if we create guidelines and make sure to make those flexible enough based on our child's response. Pampering is in our blood. Making our child think that he is always right will make him overconfident. Children should know their mistakes and also be aware that their actions can affect others. As hiding our child's mistakes will encourage him to commit more in the future, it's better to tell them and teach them to own up to his mistakes. One of the common parenting mistakes is that we often force our desires on our kids, especially when it comes to choosing careers or some extracurricular activity. Each child is different and has the capability to excel in different fields. It is crucial to act on this aspect of problems in parenting. Hence, the right thing to do is to let them follow their dreams while we would support them in their endeavors. It is essential to teach them to maintain discipline, but that doesn't necessarily mean we would make them cry. Punishment is often mistaken with discipline. The focus of discipline shouldn't be getting our child to do what we want, instead of helping them regulate their own behavior. Focusing more on punishing our child's misbehavior rather than encouraging them to stop, think, and make a choice won't help our kids develop the skills they need later. Source: the base of a healthy relationship in a kid's mind develops at home. And so, if we always fight with our partner, it will directly affect our kid's mental health and may also lead him to follow the same aggressive behavior in the coming years. Teach your child to make wise food choices and let her do on her own from the next day. It's another excellent way to encourage healthy eating. Explaining why foods are good or bad is much better than merely labeling them as okay or off limits. Ask yourself what kind of person you want your child to be after 15 years from now. Once you have done that, ask yourself if your actions are contributing to that vision. If not, it's time to change your approach. Always keep the vision in mind. Kids learn emotional self regulation from having it modeled for them and developing language to understand their experiences. We know parenting comes with challenges and difficult situations, but it comes with plenty of rewards and beautiful moments too. Childhood is a time for play, free fun, and discovery. Do not rush your little ones through this precious, innocent, once in a lifetime phase. Stay calm and enjoy this phase instead.